wind turbines on lampposts could become a thing. A bunch of them soon to be put on the streetlights of the A442 near Telford. Now, they will be primarily harvesting airflow from passing vehicles. These are, in fact, turbines of a vertical design, not quite like the familiar fan blade design. We can talk to Barry Thompson, who is involved in this vertical scheme. Barry, just tell us what you're doing there in Telford.
So the turbines are a retrofit solution. So we're utilising the existing infrastructure to harvest the displaced air from traffic as it goes past.
Right. So it's not getting much from the actual wind, or it must get some from the wind, surely, if it's a windy day.
From both.
From both.
But the key to that particular road is it's a 60-mile-an-hour dual carriageway. But as traffic goes past on the left-hand side, there's also traffic coming on the right-hand side because they're in the central reservation. So you're effectively increasing the airspeed on the turbine.
Yeah. Why haven't we done this before? It seems like such an easy way of generating a little bit of extra power.
To be honest, it's down to technology. So the technology is now there that we can use the latest in alternator technology with regards to getting the most out of the turbine itself. But also we use a carbon fibre, which is ultra light, which reduces the inertia that we need to overcome as well.
Okay, so the technology has moved, because you would have just thought it's like a fan, blades, and you could just do that 100 years ago if you thought of it.
Well, the Persians did with sails nearly 2,000 years ago. But it's effectively the same concept, but what we're making use of is different sized vehicles displace air at different speeds. And then as the air gets cooler over night time, then it becomes more dense and it's easier to harvest as well.
Now,
it's that dual airflow piece that's the key here.
Okay, Barry, tell us how far this is going to go. You're doing this, it's 180 or something of them going up in the A442?
There's 181 in Telford. We're currently talking to... we've had interest from 17 different councils, mostly in the north of Midlands and north of the UK. But we're actively discussing this with 7 right now.
Right. But is there a case for putting these on every lamppost everywhere? Presumably on a quiet road, you're not going to get the same speed or volume of traffic.
Not at all. So we pick the right level of road. So anything over 50 miles per hour is key, because a small saloon displaces air at 12 to 13 miles per hour as it goes past when it's travelling at 50 or above. So we pick and choose the roads very carefully. We're looking at the different types of traffic, because a HGV is a much bigger vehicle. If you've ever been by the side of the road and a bus has come past, you've felt that energy. So it doesn't just have to be central reservation. It can be nearer logistic centres or main HGV thoroughfares.
Well, we look forward to seeing more of them. Barry, thanks so much for talking us through wind turbines on lampposts. Barry Thompson.